Welcome to this tutorial on how to see candle time in TradingView. TradingView is a powerful platform for technical analysis and charting, and understanding candle time is essential for making informed trading decisions. To start, open your TradingView account and navigate to the charting platform. Select the chart type you want to use, such as a candlestick chart, and choose the time frame you are interested in. The time frame can range from 1 minute to 1 month, depending on your trading strategy. Once you have your chart set up, look for the time axis at the bottom of the chart. This axis displays the time of each candle, which represents a specific period of time. The time axis can be adjusted to display the time in different formats, such as hours and minutes or date and time. To see the exact time of each candle, hover your mouse over the candle. A tooltip will appear, displaying the date, time, open, high, low, and close prices of the candle. This information is useful for analyzing the market and identifying trends and patterns. You can also customize the time axis to display the time in a format that suits your needs. To do this, click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the chart and select the time axis option. From here, you can choose the time format, such as 12-hour or 24-hour clock, and adjust the display settings. In addition to the time axis, you can also use the crosshair tool to see the exact time of a specific candle. To use the crosshair tool, click and hold the mouse button on the chart and move the crosshair to the candle you are interested in. The time and price of the candle will be displayed in the crosshair tooltip. Understanding candle time is crucial for trading, as it helps you identify market trends and make informed decisions. By following these steps, you can easily see the candle time in TradingView and improve your trading skills. Remember to always use the time axis and crosshair tool to analyze the market and identify opportunities. With practice and experience, you can become proficient in using TradingView and make more accurate trading decisions.